Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I am going to teach you how to fetch data from table in API. Now let's start. Open your project in Visual Studio or Sublime. Run your project in command line or terminal with PHP artisan serve command. Now copy this link and paste it into browser. You can see Laravel 9 version is running. Let's go to database. We want to fetch the students table data in JSON format. To fetch this data, we have to follow simple 5 steps. The first step is to create controller with this command php artisan make controller students controller. I already created this controller as you can see, so I am not gonna create it. The second step is to create model so that we can use it to fetch data from table. Run this command in terminal or command line. php artisan make model student. Student is my model name. It will automatically connect with students table. Make sure your student model is defined in studentscontroller.php. The third step is to create function in students controller to get data and send it into JSON format. Let's create function get students and return student model all data. Here student is my model and all function returns all data from students table. Laravel will automatically convert data into JSON format. The fourth step is to create route to hit the API. We will create route in api.php file in routes folder. I am going to use get method. All students is my route name that I am going to use as API URL. Now copy this function name that I created in get students. As you can see, get students is my function in students controller and all students is my root name. Now open Postman to test this API. I am going to copy this URL which is localhost 8000/API. Make sure you don't miss API word here. Without API word, your API will not work. Now copy this route name and paste here in front of API. So finally you can see we fetched data from students table in JSON format. Let me show you the table in database. Two students data has been fetched in my API. Now you can use this API for mobile apps or other technologies like Vue.js or React.js. I hope this video will help you to create API for Laravel. If you have any query, write down in comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button to get more videos.